It has been a long day, a great hike, hours trying to figure out what I need to know about my RV. But now it's time to start thinking about dinner and my first chefing it up segment here in my new to me RV. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and this is the first official chefing it up in my new to me RV, my 2018 Winnebago Travato. Now, if you followed me at all or you're new to the channel, let me give you one piece of advice. I talk about this a lot. There's no need to eat poorly on the road. And this is a perfect example of how to do that. We are going to do a one-pan dish tonight. Chicken Basil Linguine. I'm already excited. Let's get this one started. Now, I talk about this a lot, so make sure whenever you're cooking and you want to chef it up, to do your mise en place at home before you hit the RV, because there's just so much easier stuff that you can do at home as opposed to in the tight quarters of an RV. So at home, I made my basil oil with some basil, some garlic, a little bit of onions and olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and lemon. Mixed that up, got that really nice and ready, and then brought it here to the RV. The other thing I did is I chopped up a chicken breast. That's what I'm using for the chicken in this. We'll get this into the pan, start cooking it up, and pretty soon we're gonna have dinner. So the first thing you want to do is get some olive oil and butter into the pan, start melting that down. Then you want to add a little bit of the garlic. And then add in your chicken. As the chicken is cooking up, you want to add in some salt, pepper, a little bit of thyme, and a little bit of dried oregano. The chicken is now brown. We're going to add in some wine and a little bit of chicken stock and start cooking that down. Chicken is looking great. Now we're going to add in our basil oil, get that in there. We're also going to add in some mushrooms and start to cook that down. Right after that, it's time to drop the pasta. the chicken is basically done now. What we need to do is now add in the pasta. I'm using fresh linguine. We'll drop it in there. We'll turn the heat down. We'll cover it, and we'll let that cook for about 2 minutes or so. The chicken and pasta are almost done. What we're gonna do now is add in just a little bit of cream, a little squeeze of lemon, and then some cheese. I'm using Parmesan Reggiano cheese, and we're gonna let that melt in a little bit. We'll turn off the heat and just let it sit, and then it'll be time to plate it up and eat it. The chicken basil pasta is now done. It is time to plate it up and eat this bad boy. And voila, there you have it. I have my Basil Chicken Linguine. Looks fantastic. I have some toasted bread here. Also have some seltzer water, mango seltzer water. And then, of course, I have a little Riesling, some Barefoot Riesling. Let's go ahead and pour that. I think that's going to go perfect for dinner. And speaking of which, why don't we try it out? Simply fantastic. The nice part about this, you can do it all in one pan. It's easy, it's quick, and when you're using fresh pasta, and is store fresh pasta, it still gets cooked right away, and it's absolutely fantastic. I'll put a link to how you do all of this in the description below. Who knows, maybe you'll try it out on the road as well. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on my website at RVJedeye.com. Remember, there is no need to eat poorly on the road. This is a great example. Tell me what you like to eat on the road. I love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.